Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Milwaukee tool chest that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee PACKOUT 22 inches large toolbox. The Milwaukee PACKOUT 22 inches large toolbox red, black accessories is a durable and versatile storage solution for your tools. With an IP65 rating, it offers protection against water and dust, and its impact-resistant construction ensures that your tools and accessories are safe. The toolbox also features an interior organizer tray for easy organization of your items. It even has a mounting location for the one-key tick. This toolbox is designed to be tough and innovative, making it a great choice for both DIYers and professionals. Its large size provides ample space for all your tools, and the handle locks the lid closed for added convenience. The Milwaukee PACKOUT system is highly recommended for its high quality and durability. Moving on at number 4, we have the Milwaukee 52. The Milwaukee 48228552 mobile workbench is a 52-inch 11-drawer toolbox and tool chest cabinet box. It features full extension, soft close drawer slides, a solid wood top coated for protection, and durable casters that provide mobility. The workbench also includes a built-in power bar with USB charging ports. With its sturdy construction and ample storage space, this workbench is perfect for organizing and storing tools. It has received a customer rating of 5.05 based on positive reviews, showing high satisfaction from customers. At number 3, we have the A2009 replacement keys with blue caps from Milwaukee Toolbox. The replacement A2009 keys from Milwaukee Toolbox is a high-quality option for those in need of replacement keys. With its blue caps, it offers easy identification and handling. To purchase these keys, you must confirm that you are the owner of the lock key number A2009. The keys come in a small size with dimensions of 2.00L x 1.00W x 1.00H. If you're looking for reliable replacement, these keys are worth considering. The replacement A2009 keys from Milwaukee Toolbox provide a convenient solution for those in need of replacement keys. With their blue caps, they offer easy identification and handling. The requirement to confirm ownership adds an extra layer of security. At number 2, we have the Milwaukee Tool Chests and Cabinets Lock and Key Kit. Keep your valuable tools and equipment secure with the Lock and Key Kit for Milwaukee Tool Chests and Cabinets by Safeco Brands. This durable lock and key kit is designed specifically for Milwaukee tool chests and cabinets, providing you with peace of mind knowing that your belongings are safe. With easy installation and a sturdy construction, this lock and key kit is a must-have for any workshop or garage. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this lock and key kit is sure to meet your needs. And finally at number 1, we have the Husky Milwaukee and Steel Glide R08 Toolbox Key Set with blue caps. The Husky Milwaukee and Steel Glide R08 Toolbox Tool Chest Lock Keys are replacement keys designed for easy identification and handling. They come with blue caps and are a perfect fit for Husky Milwaukee and Steel Glide toolboxes and tool chests with R08 locks. These keys can be used straight out of the envelope, making them convenient and hassle-free. The Husky Milwaukee and Steel Glide R08 Toolbox Tool Chest Lock Keys are reliable and user-friendly replacements. With their blue caps, they are easy to identify and handle, saving you time and effort. Whether you have a Husky Milwaukee or Steel Glide toolbox or tool chest with R08 locks, these keys are a precise fit. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.